Hundreds of vehicles have been stranded for several hours on Interstate 95 after a snowstorm in Virginia caused extreme delays, with local authorities struggling to clear roads. Beginning early Monday, the Fredericksburg area, which sits between Richmond, Virginia and Washington, D.C., saw around 14 inches of snowfall, according to the National Weather Service. The snow and ice caused multiple crashes among trucks, resulting in a massive backup and I-95 closures as the Virginia Department of Transportation works to clear a path for vehicles. The VDOT says the highway is currently closed in both directions between exit 152 and exit 104. Many people were stuck in standstill traffic for over 15 hours, spending the night in their vehicles, and some forced to turn off their engines in freezing temperatures to conserve low fuel. In a series of updates on social media, VDOT says local authorities are working to plow snow and provide resources to stranded vehicles, but do not know when traffic will move. We wish we had a timetable, ETA, or an educated guess on when travel will resume on I-95. It's at a standstill in our area with multiple incidents, VDOT tweeted. It's frustrating and scary. Please know our crews don't stop. Crews will work 24/7 until all state-maintained roads are safe for travel, the statement continued. Kelly Hannon, communications manager for the VDOT Fredericksburg district, told CNN that power outages have impacted traffic cameras on the highway, causing more delays to their response time. This is unprecedented, and we continue to steadily move stop trucks to make progress toward restoring lanes, VDOT Fredericksburg District Engineer Marcy Parker said in a statement to VUSA 9. In addition to clearing the trucks, we are treating for snow and several inches of ice that has accumulated around them to ensure that when the lanes reopen, motorists can safely proceed to their destination, Parker said.